Hey y'all, I have to make a gate. Where I live, there's a lot of elevated houses near the beach, so the codes are the new houses have to be up like 16 feet above sea level, something like that. Um, Therefore, a lot of houses being up there, a lot of people want gates. Everybody has like a deck of some kind. If you walk up the stairs to the deck, and a lot of people like a gate to close to keep kids and animals from tumbling down the stairs. A lot of these houses are also Airbnbs or short-term rentals, things like that. So safety is a big consideration for everybody, for everything. Um, so I need to make a gate. I've made several gates, and here's some pictures maybe of some gates, and let's get started. It's not too complicated. I've seen a lot of bad gates, and I've made a lot of. I've learned some lessons along the way over a couple of years. So let's make a gate. So I don't know exactly what I need. I know I need some 2x6 and some 2x4, and I've got a drawing over here. I took some measurements of what I need, and I drew myself a little style, a little diagram of what goes where. So let's do it. I cut this off because it has some knots and some bad bark areas. I'll use it for something now. Maybe not on this gate, but for something. We need 7 2x2s. Okay, that's all the components. That has an 1/8 inch bit. That has a 1/4 inch bit, but I need a 3/16 because it matters. Three. I just wanted to take a minute to remind everybody that if you're interested in woodworking plans for outdoor furniture, I've got several plans available at my website, island-crown.com. I've got rocking chair plans, bar stool plans, loungers, tall chairs, deck furniture, all kinds of things like that with clear instructions and images, PDF files, step by step detail how to. Go check it out, island-crown.com. I think you're going to like it. Thank you. So, this is going to be the top rail of that gate. This is going to be a side, and the other side. Here's my pocket hole equipment. And we're going to pocket hole these into these. And then even the 2x4s, there's going to be 2 layers of 2x4s. Those are going to be pocket holed as much as they can into these and also into these. And it's going to be a brick house. So there's my 3 pocket holes. Those will go there. Let me get some screws and clamps. These are actually Craig screws. I bought a Amazon box and I went through it. And then I bought a larger Craig box. All of this wood is pretty dry. I keep a lot of material underneath my house and gets a lot of air movement. A lot of it's been there for months. When it starts to get even hinting at being low, I add more to my stock. Very nice. Nothing pokes through the top. So two of these are going to need pocket hole screws on the ends to fasten into this rail. The one on the bottom is on the bottom. The one on the top is going to have pocket holes going that way also. And I'd like to put them where the baluster will be, like here, here, and one in the center. The spindles are going to be right there. So it completely hides that pocket hole. Same thing over here. And there's going to be another one here. So I strategically placed those here. You're still going to see a few of those, but they're tucked in the corners. And even these, they're not jumping out at you. It's better than seeing more screws than necessary on the face of everything. These were laid out the same, so I want to make sure that I put them down in the same configuration, and this is it. Down. Is this thing square? 57 3/8. 57 5/8. It's off a little. Uh-oh. So these now can go in. I think this arrangement they're in looks fine to me. Let's start from one end, and we're just driving 2.5-inch screws. Is to put this one in, which goes on the other side. So that's it. That's a gate. And why is it so big and bulky? It matches the handrail that goes around the outside. It's going to have hinges on one side, and it's going to have a big gate latch on the other side, stainless steel. That's the way I do my gates.